the student who changed learning forever. Let me tell you a story about the future, a future where every student can learn anything, no matter who they are or where they come from. This is the story of Lena, a 16-year-old student who changed education forever. Lena was smart, really smart, but in her traditional school, she felt trapped. While her classmates memorized facts for tests, Lena dreamed of something bigger. She believed learning should be as natural as breathing, personalized, exciting, and available to everyone. One rainy Friday night, while struggling with a physics problem, Lena had a breakthrough. What if, she thought, we could read how the brain learns and adapt lessons in real time? That moment sparked an idea that would change everything. Using her coding skills and knowledge of neuroscience, Lena created NeuroLearn, a revolutionary headset that adapts to each student's unique mind. Here's how it worked. The headset reads brain activity to identify when a student is struggling or excelling. Then, it instantly adjusts the lesson, slowing down, switching approaches, or even turning concepts into interactive 3D simulations. At first, people doubted her. Teachers asked, "Can machines really understand how we learn?" Scientists wondered, "Is this ethical?" But when Lena tested NeuroLearn with students who had always struggled in school, something amazing happened. A dyslexic student read fluently for the first time. A shy student aced a presentation by practicing in virtual reality. The results were undeniable. Within 2 years, NeuroLearn transformed schools worldwide. No more one-size-fits-all education. No more students left behind because they learned differently. Lena proved that with technology and compassion, we can build an education system where everyone thrives. But here's the most important lesson. Lena wasn't a genius scientist when she started. She was just a student who saw a problem and believed she could solve it. The future of education, the future of any industry, belongs to those who ask, "What if?" and have the courage to find out. So, what problem will you solve? How will you change the future? Because the next revolutionary idea might be yours. Remember, every big change starts with someone who dares to think differently. Will that someone be you?